Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Zoom on a PC or laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Zoom and press enter. Click on the official website, zoom.us. Once the site opens, scroll down to the bottom of the page. In the footer, click on the Zoom Workplace app under the download section. On the next page, scroll down again and click the download button. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to launch it. The installation process will begin and only takes a few moments. Once it finishes, click Done and Zoom will open automatically. From here, you'll see the Zoom homepage where you can either join a meeting, sign up, or sign in. After signing in, you'll have access to all meeting options directly from the Zoom dashboard. So that's basically how you can download Zoom on a PC or laptop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.